danger of a lightning storm. If you must venture out beneath the open sky, then be careful.
Ooh, a flag there.
Oh man.
I changed the color of my outfit, so I was like, maybe I'll blend in better.
Yeah, it might have been a good idea.
I mean, aside from being bright white.
There's this stinking lightning.
Yeah, are we just like not out in the open enough? I mean, we were sitting in the trees last time, and we saw lightning just pop over here.
Yeah, it struck right here by this tree. The tower there. There we go. Who's shooting?
Someone's shooting.
I heard somebody shoot. I don't know where.
Where did that lightning hit? Top of the stinking tree?
I don't know. I hear shooting over by the extract, sounds like.
Yeah, sounded like that to me too. We said we're in the bushes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too. I can't see nothing outside of me though, so the problem.
Yeah. But if they get up in here, at least there's 3 extracts on this one.
Got a explosive mine set to my left over there a little bit in the
Nice.
grass.
I'm just out here trying to get electrocuted.
Oh, here we go.
Nice.
I set another one around the back side of this tree for anybody that sees us and tries to sneak around here. Did you get popped?
No. They keep spawning or putting the lightning like 25, 30 feet away from me. So it's like, I physically am not fast enough to get there.
It counts for both of us when we get struck, right?
Yeah,
At least some.
I'm pretty sure it does.
At 21:30 right now. Well, that got you.
I stood right in the middle of that one.
Yeah. Oh, I still got 21:30. So I
I'm
don't
at
know.
1770, so I guess maybe it doesn't count for both of us.
I mean, I was thinking it should, right?
I mean, it normally does.
Did that just blow my mind up?
Yeah, I think it blew both of them up, actually.
Dang. That ain't cool. Bruh. And as far as this thing healing, I can't tell it's healing anything. One health
It's-
every 5
oh, yeah,
seconds.
you're actually healing this time.
Yeah, I healed with that thing because I was getting low after 2 strike. I'm at 3120.
Dang, you're way up there. Maybe it is better to not have a shield on.
Oh, I got a shield on. It's a light
Yeah,
shield,
but you
though.
got a light shield. I mean, well, I
Yeah.
guess I've only taken 2
You know.
strikes, I suppose.
I didn't think about that, but the light shield probably would let you get more damage, wouldn't it?
I'm running around with no shield. Hello.
Just looking for fuel crates.
Right on. We're just trying to get electrocuted.
As dumb as that sounds. I'm glad they went around that side of the tree because they already planted another mine on the backside.
I didn't even see him until they were right up on me.
I didn't either because I was on the other side of this tree. But I got my gun out waiting to light somebody up. So oh. Did that get you or did you get shot?
That gave me a lot, so it definitely helps to not have a shield on.
Oh, it needs $4,000, right?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd that
I was
strike?
too slow.
I need to see that one electrocuting first. I mean, this spot's been pretty good. I've got hit at least 2 or 3 times right here, but
Come on, lightning.
yeah. I was thinking that this would be the easiest one to get done for some reason.
I did too. I was like, oh, we'll go in, we'll get electrocuted a bunch. No problem. Apparently, it's one of the more difficult ones. I mean, and think about it. I mean, you can only do it in electrical storms, so I guess we're probably not actually getting double points, but...
Well, it says 2 time points, although maybe not for getting shot. Here we go.
Oh, I didn't make it in.
That hammer they're putting on me.
That probably gave you enough, right?
Yeah, 4,200.
Nice.
It looks maxed out. I guess it's...
It's definitely maxed. 4,000 is the top. I mean, you can get more points, but
Yeah, well...
I'm at...
Hey, there you go. Quunga!
That was enough.
Alright, let's get
Now I'm going to
that.
heal up and then put my shield back on, too.
Yeah. Let's get the hey you out of here once you are.
Agreed. Alright.
Let's go watch these camping deuces.
I'm just walking slow so I can check things out and get stamina up. Yeah, now the lightning wants to come around.
Yeah.
You don't got to come all the way around.
Where are you gonna go after you hit it?
Right. Ooh!
I'm kind of looking the area where we came from. At least what I can see. Oh! Dadgum, I got a lot shocked again.
People over that way.
There's a comet. Where are you at?
I'm going inside.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, Comet.
Oh, great.
He's stuck on the wall. Oh, he's not stuck on the wall. He's retarded. All right, get inside.
Dang. Oh, thank God. I cannot afford him. My shield just got fried. Don't let that son of a gun roll back in here and kill us.
I wonder if there's like an invisible wall or something. Thank goodness we're done with that one. Oh my land.